Hello and welcome to day number. We are on our way from Senica to Zagreb to start with, and then probably head to Slovenia. We chose the mountain roads again, since we don't like highways. And this one doesn't look so bad so far. Good asphalt, that's all the most important thing. The traffic we can beat. I didn't stop down there at the gas station. I hope that doesn't turn out to be a problem, since I'm almost in the red. But I still have the reserve of 5 liters, so it should be fine. And since we did some highway at the end yesterday, I guess Timo has more fuel than me, so he should be fine as well. Anyway, that's it for now. Enjoy the map.
Don't deny me, 'cause I feel it. It's your heartbeat, it's your hands. Don't deny me from this feeling. 'Cause I could never say goodbye. No, I can't let you go.
Maybe your GPS is right.
Yeah, but it wasn't right last time.
Yeah, but there was now this time a sign. That's it. One looker crossed over. Slow down the construction.
Should we try it, and if there's something small road around it?
Question is, where is it closed? Does it show on your GPS? Not that 5 kilometers before Luka, we're in a canyon like this, and the road is closed, and we have to ride all the way back.
No, they said that it's being. They said that it's turned to the small road, and my phone says that it's fine.
Let's go!
I'm trying to be so ungrateful. It's just that I hated myself. But then I decided I needed to wake up to hold in the light, to be by your side. So please don't deny me, 'cause I feel it. It's your heartbeat, it's your hands, it's the feeling of your body and your spirit in a dance. And I could never say goodbye. No, I can't let you go.
took the gravel road. I don't know how long we shall continue on this. I don't think there comes asphalt anyway soon.
You're so fast! Why don't we ask from someone?
Then it's not an adventure.
This? Who's that road?
You want to take that one? You want to do a river crossing?
What we just asked the man. Because if it's this 170 something kilometers, it's not going to work.
No, it's not 107.
Huh?
It's not 107. There should come a bigger town soon. Where do you have my phone?
I don't know why he opened the gate for us.
He likes us.
If we try to ask the man, he just might speak English or German.
44 kilometers till the next big road.
Are we going to drive 44 kilometers road like this?
Fuck it. And then we're done with the small roads.
Let's go.
You always want to take the mountain roads. Now we take the... Yeah, see, there is traffic on this road. Must be rush hour. There's even camping here. You want to turn around? Okay. Ah, there's a little bit of concrete. Woo! How are we gonna overtake that truck? That's gonna be fun. Okay, it's stopping here. Everybody's stopping here. Why? Where do we go? Hi, Melania Luka? Okay, Mr. Spike. Ah. Thank you. Bye bye. See? This ain't no problem. That way? Yeah.
40 kilometers.
40, yeah? Easy! Actually, I just remember that I read yesterday that they laid a lot of mines in this area during the war. And there was just a red sign with a white skull. So I guess this means there could be mines.
You give up? I would say it is faster.
Huh?
Looks like that this is the right way. Where is that your bigger road?
There's a road called M4.
Yeah, but is that really a bigger road?
It's called M4, I don't know. Just one digit.
Fuck.
This map doesn't make sense. It says where we are now, we cross the river.
Yeah, I haven't loaded the map, I cannot see. But you are right that the M4 looks bigger road on a map, but fuck, this is a long way. Let's just call it and turn back.
You wanna give up?
Yeah.
You lose! Good day, sir!
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
If I know that the M4 is a good road, then just go, but if we're going to stay here all night, all day, to the night.
Okay.
If someone can tell that the M4 is good, but who you gonna ask here?
The guys back there?
Okay, that was enough adventure. Now we can take the straight road.
But have we been stupid, brave or skilled now?
Stupid.
Brave or skilled?
Stupid.
Stupid. Good.
I would stop before the gate and make a new plan to that for the guy, and
We stopped down there. You say, yeah, we are on an adventure. And I thought, okay, let's go on an adventure.
I was thinking that you are there. Teemu said we go, Teemu said we go, so we gotta go.
That was my thinking, yes. And every time we stopped, you giving up? I was waiting until you give up and say, no.
But you would give up earlier.
Huh?
You would give up earlier if there wasn't a Teemu want to go.
Otherwise I would have turned around down there.
Yeah.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. 'Cause I won't look back. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
Flashback.
Yeah, we're closing in on the Croatian border. Can't be long. Then we're back in the EU. Time to spend a lot of money on the Croatian highway. If I remember right. Okay, I guess this is the line for the border. But why are there just trucks? Okay, there are cars. That's a long line, Temo. Go, go, go. Is that the queue for the border or queue into the city? If it's the queue for the border, I'm fucking glad I'm on a motorcycle.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yes! As you can see, the sun is going down. And we had enough. So we booked a hotel. You can really feel that we are now back in the EU. We found a really not really good on booking.com, but I had a lot of bikes on the hotel pictures, or pension pictures, so we picked it anyway. I had a 6.9 rating and it was 61 euros. Everything else was either a hostel or way over 150 euros for 2 persons. So we say it's fuck it. We take that one. Doesn't have a restaurant, so we have to find something on the way or after we are there. Just 15 kilometers from here, so we go straight there and figure the rest out later. About today, first the gravel road, which was kind of funny. Anyway, see you tomorrow. I have to figure out where to go, so I have to listen to the GPS. Bye bye.